Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Mr. Hafiz. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Samad. I am from group number 2. Today, our group will present about what does the fourth industrial revolution means to you. For your information, industrial revolution started since 1716. Industrial revolution means the changing technology of the industry from traditional to the modern era. For introduction, what is IR 4.0? It is a combination of traditional manufacturing and industrial platform. In IR 4.0, it increased automation system and improved communication system, also self-monitoring, which is a process is performed with minimal human assistance. Automation is the use of various control systems for operating equipment. For example, a smart machine that can analyze and diagnose problem or issue without human assistance. Next is the what is an engineering section can do in IR 4.0. Okay, firstly, engineering is the gate of the technology revolution. Engineering is the large department where we can learn and work, so it can change our life in every way. Okay, for the first paragraph, I will explain about the principle and goal. First is the interconnection, which is ability machines to communicate each other through the internet. For example, we can find the sensor that detect the problem through the device or internet. Second is the information transparency, which is to simplify the worker to collect the accurate data for the improvement. Third is the technical assistant, which is to assist human in decision making and helping for do the high risk job. Last is the decentralized decision, which is ability of the machine system to make decision without human help. This is an example of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Previously, the worker used the grinder machine to cut the plate or else, but now the worker only had to operate the water jet cutting machines for the high risk cutting work. Next is previously cameraman had to be in the air to take the top view picture, but now the cameraman just had to control the drone to take the picture in the air. These are what I mean about the Industrial Revolution 4.0.
Thank you, Muhammad Firdaus, for the great and clear explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Sir Hafiz and all my fellow friends. Before I start my presentation, I wish selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir dan batin to Sir Hafiz and all my fellow friends at VS2. So, here I am, at home, to present, talk and explain about our tasks that have been given to us. This time, I'll focus on explanation in IR 4.0 on education. In your mind, we'll say, is there a phenomenon that we call education in IR 4.0? The answer is yes. Why? Because the educational industry is being influenced by cognitivity and cloud computing. Next, in the ancient times, or 1978, where the IR 1.0 create about education, their thing is more refer to the teacher to ask for a help that has a problem with an education. But nowadays, IR 4.0 is created and they have absolute good and excellent idea for a student lifestyle today, where all the information that student don't know or understand in the class can refer to the technology that call internet to search something that they need to. So in the next slide, this is the picture of a changing of technology in terms of education. To us, on the left side is a film from Pendekar Bujang Lapuk that have been a long time ago on my childhood. This scene said to us that anything we don't know, like reading or writing, we will refer to our teacher. So the main thing here is anything that we don't know, we need to ask. Sorry. Anything we don't know, we need to ask our teacher. So on the right side, but on the right side, it is a new technology. This picture is from Sunway University class, where the student will study with their computer. But even there is a computer, we also need a teacher to teach us, or give a little info for assignment, for an idea, like that. If we all things we do in computer, what are the function of the teacher or lecturer? Like that lah. Next is the technology in a mechanical, where the old versus new technology. At the top is the handsaw to cut a wood or soft steel, but it needs more energy and more time. Below is the grinder machine that can also cut wood, tree, and also steel, soft steel and hard steel. But the good thing is it can has less times, less energy, but need an electric. On the up is they don't need electric on the handsaw. So the benefit that we can get in education in IR4.0, it will make student easier. For me, it's very easier because student can go find any information that they don't understand by using a computer and also an internet. Next, it also can generate more future expert IT from now, because we can learn many things about the computer, like repair it or programming and much more. Last and the most important things is nowadays in our country is the I'm sorry, my laptop problem. Lastly, and the most important things nowadays in our country is the education. By using IT can make us easy to find a great job, because in my experience that I research, that I hear from my brother, company nowadays need a worker not just have one skill, like hand skill, like repair machine, repair a car, but they need to have one other extra skill, like working with a computer to do some work like report or anything. Not just that, IT also can generate income by doing an online business such as dropship or anything. Like this PKP, we can gain, even we cannot go out, but we can get money from doing an agent dropship or like that. Because these times on the PKP situation, it is really hard to find a great money to. I'm not married yet, so I don't know how a man that need to take care of the family. So that's all explanation from me. I think I'll pass to my friend to continue explain about explain about IR 4.0 that focus on engineering. That's all. Thank you, Safis. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muttaqin bin Sufyans. I'm from group number 2. Okay, today I will talk about what is IR 4.0 means for engineering students. As you all know, my friend Firdaus has talked about the meanings of IR 4.0. So I will not talk about it. I will explain for you what it is IR 4.0 means for engineering students. From self-driving cars to drone deliver online shoppings, the fourth industrial revolution is changing how do we live, work and communicate. Does IR 4.0 works for students more easier? Absolutely yes. Why I say that? This is because the fourth industrial revolutions take the automation of manufacturing process to a new level by introducing customized and flexible mass production technology. This means the machine will work independently. In other words, robots. As we know, nowadays we have a self-driving cars such as Tesla, and this type of technology is really help other people in many ways. This is one of the benefits of IR 4.0. The equipment help to advance the technology. The equipment also can help the student to build something more advanced, like how Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, do. As robotic is one of the agenda of IR 4.0, it helps so much for automotive engineering. It helps to do the heavy works, such as to lift the engines and such and so on. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Syazwan bin Said. Uh, I would like to present about the fifth paragraph. In fifth paragraph is to provide technological solution to issues and problems faced in society. The role of the engineer remains the same. On top of mastering essential knowledge and skill in their chosen disciplines, there should be creative and critical thinkers. They must also be able to evolve and change to fit with the needs and demands of industry trends. Second, to enable students to be equipped with the necessary skills. It is working to update and revamp the curriculum for key enabling technologies related to Industry 4.0. Okay, the next is improve future career prospect drastically. We feel that mastering the key enabling technologies is becoming an essential skill today for future engineers who will be able to apply them and create solutions for complex problems in their disciplines. It is becoming as important as mathematics, design and communication skill. For the last is to having knowledge of important theories and practical course by heart is not enough for a graduate to excel at the workplace. It is also important for students to get involved in activities to develop and sharpen their soft skills. Alright, this is a example for engineering technology. As we know, all car use petrol, and we can change that. Then we can change to the electric for the IR 4.0. Okay, that's all for me. That's all from me, and I pass to the next person. Thank you.
In a nutshell, The adoption of Industry 4.0 technology will push research in various fields such as IT security and will have effects on the education in particular. A new industry will require a new set of skills. Consequently, education engineering will take a new shapes that provide such an industry will require skilled labor. Given the nature of the industry, it will introduce new jobs in big data analysis, robots, expert and huge portion of engineering. Technology has changed in a blink of eyes. This IR 4.0 help people to improve knowledge, ability, teamwork, and greater ability to improve people communications. I really hope that this IR 4.0 can help other people or the business to expand more. Maybe next generation can really understand and imply IR 4.0 in engineering sector. This will help to raise the industry generation achieve country target. I hope this IR 4.0 will be helps to people and not a bad things. Thank you very much. Bye.